Hi, my name's Janelle and welcome back to Rosery Apparel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 of my recent favourite me-made outfits. It is currently winter here in Australia, so the outfits I'll be sharing will definitely have a bit more of a wintry theme. But I know quite a few people from the Northern Hemisphere watch my videos, so if that is you, then hopefully the outfits I'll be sharing in this video will be some good sewing and knitting inspiration for the upcoming colder months. And I'll be sure to link all of the different patterns and tutorials for all of the different outfits and items I'll be sharing in this video. So yeah, definitely go and check out the description below if you are interested in making any of these outfits for your own wardrobe. First up, I have what is quickly becoming my favourite everyday outfit for winter, and that is this floral corduroy pinafore that I made by pattern hacking my Panty pattern. I'll have the full step-by-step tutorial linked below. It has been made from the most beautiful corduroy fabric that I purchased while in Japan last year, and I just love how oversized and comfy it is. It's the perfect garment for layering during the colder months. My favourite way to wear this pinafore is with a simple turtleneck underneath, and this turtleneck has been made using the Rise and Fall pattern by Paper Cut Patterns, and I made it out of some gorgeous ribbed jersey fabric from one of my favourite fabric shops, the Fabric Store. I also love wearing this outfit with my chunky Doc Marten boots, and it's just a really easy outfit to throw on, but looks super intentional and well put together, even if I do say so myself. Outfit number 2 is a new addition to my wardrobe, and that is this fun dropped waist gathered skirt. I am so in love with how this skirt turned out, and as someone who wears gathered skirts all of the time, it's nice to have a new option that's just something a little bit different. Again, I have paired this skirt with my ribbed turtleneck and my docs, and I just love how the burnt orange contrasts so nicely with the beige of the skirt. To add a bit of extra coziness to this outfit, I like to pop on my burnt orange Rosery knit. I made this jumper using a vintage knitting pattern, and once it was finished, I got quite a few requests asking to link the pattern, but obviously because it was a vintage pattern, I wasn't able to do that. So I ended up getting in touch with the original publishers and asked if I was able to share the pattern with my audience, and they surprisingly said yes. So yeah, if you'd like to make this pattern too, then you can find a link to the free pattern in the description below this video. Next up, I have another new addition to my wardrobe, and that is this gorgeous dress that I made using the Willow pattern by Rosie Caldwell. This dress is so beautiful and so fun to wear, and I made it out of some black floral Liberty Tana lawn fabric, which was just so lovely to work with, and yeah, even more lovely to wear. I have been trying lots of ways to still be able to wear this dress during the colder months, so I've started wearing it with a pair of tights and my blunnies, and also love wearing this dress with my popcorn cardigan that I made a few years ago. This cardigan was definitely a labour of love and took me a good almost year to make from memory, but I loved every second of making it, and it is just such a fun, quirky piece in my wardrobe. If you're watching this video, then I think it's pretty safe to assume that you're into sewing or are at least an overall crafty type person, and that is why I think you're going to love learning about today's video sponsor, Craftsy. Craftsy is an online community and resource where millions of like-minded crafters and DIY enthusiasts go to for inspiration and to learn new craft skills. Whether you would like to start learning knitting, woodworking, quilting, baking, jewelry making, crochet or sewing, there are over 2,000 crafty classes to discover over on Craftsy. Each class is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step lessons and are led by the most friendly and helpful instructors who are experts in their fields, and you can tell they genuinely want you to succeed at your new craft. A craft I personally really want to try and master this year is colorwork knitting. I love knitting, I've been knitting for a long time, but I just find colorwork knitting so daunting and I don't know where to begin. So I have been taking a class called Colorwork Made Easy by Melissa Leitman, which goes through all the basics of colorwork knitting and has helped to give me a good basic understanding of where to even get started when it comes to colorwork knitting. And I'm so excited to put my new knowledge into practice and potentially make this beautiful bow knit by Augustines. So if you'd like to go and check out Craftsy and learn some new crafts for yourself, then the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description below this video will get a full year of premium membership to Craftsy for $1.49. Thank you so much, Craftsy, for sponsoring this video. Outfit number 4 is honestly quite different to my usual style, but there's something about it that I just love, and I've been wearing this combo on repeat since I made the shirt a couple of weeks ago. The shirt is made from some adorable broderie on glaze fabric, and the little grid pattern kind of reminds me of biscuits, which makes me love it even more. And I actually used a Japanese sewing pattern book that I picked up while I was in Japan, and yeah, I could not be happier with how this shirt turned out. For the pants, I used the Beige pattern by the fabric store, and I used some beige corduroy, and they were kind of the first proper pair of pants I had ever made. They're definitely not perfect, but I'm so proud of them, and they are also so comfortable. As someone who really does not love wearing pants that much, I actually love wearing these and would recommend this pattern 100%. Then to add a bit of warmth, I do like to pair this outfit with my chunky peaches and cream knit that I made using a knit kit by Cardigan Knits. Again, this is just such a fun piece in my wardrobe and super cozy and comfortable. Outfit number 5 features another corduroy number, my cute mini skirt made using my new Clover sewing pattern. I love the mini version of this pattern, and the corduroy just makes this such a nice item to wear during winter. Again, I love to pair this skirt with a turtleneck and a pair of tights with my Doc Marten boots, and it is such a staple outfit in my rotation. To add some extra warmth, I like to pair this outfit with my upcycled puffer jacket that I made from a retro bedspread. This was such a fun thrift flip project, and I could not be happier with how it turned out. I just personally find traditional puffer jackets so soulless and boring, so to have a jacket that matches the other items in my wardrobe perfectly just gives me so much joy. I also love the fact that the jacket is able to be done up by tying up these front ties into bows. It's just such a cute detail to the jacket, and I don't think I've ever loved a jacket more. Next up, I have this stunning sailor collar dress that I made again by using one of my Japanese sewing pattern books. I was really unsure how this dress was going to turn out, and I wasn't sure if the style was going to suit me or not, but I have to say I have completely fallen in love with it. I made this dress out of some lovely caramel linen that I also purchased while I was in Japan, and it's just such a nice quality and is slightly on the thicker side, giving the finished dress a really nice amount of structure and warmth. I love how this dress looks with my Doc Marten boots, and I also love to pair this dress with my cream cardi that I knitted quite a few years ago now. I just think the cream works so nicely with the caramel colour and is ultimately just such a lovely cozy outfit to wear. I also love that the skirt of the dress has been made up of pleats, which is just something a little bit different to my usual gathered skirt style I tend to go for, but still feels very me, which I like. Outfit 7 is my Damson Matter inspired bow dress that I made using the Clara pattern by Silver Saga Patterns. This dress was one of my go-to outfits for autumn, and I have carried on wearing it a lot this winter as well. I love this dress and was obviously very inspired by the brand Damson Matter to make it, and I'm so glad I did because I think I like my version even better than the original. Am I allowed to say that? It has super puffy long sleeves, which makes it a really cozy wear for around the house, and then when I do end up going out and about in this dress, I like to pair it with my pink coat that I made a few years ago as well. This pink coat is such a staple in my winter wardrobe. I don't often wear pink, so it's really nice to have such a big, long, oversized coat in this pink shade to add to my outfits in winter. I also lined the coat with a pink checkered tablecloth that gives such a fun pop of brightness when the coat opens up a little bit. I also just love how long it is, and because of the length of this coat, it is super warm and honestly does feel like wearing a nice big pink blanket. Next is another typical Janelle outfit that I've been wearing for literally years at this point, and that is my floral button-up dress that I made with the pattern McCall's 7974 or 7975. Can't remember, I'll have it on the screen now. And I like to pair this dress with my Rosery knit again and my high top trainers. Like I said, I've been wearing this outfit for years. I made the dress when I first started this YouTube channel, and it has been one of my favorite makes ever since. I love how flowy the dress is, and I do love to wear it on its own during summer, but honestly, I think I love layering it up in winter even more. The floral print of the fabric matches the brownie orange of the knit so perfectly. I just think they were made to be worn together. It's definitely one of my favorite outfits that I wear on the regular, and an outfit I genuinely hope I can wear for many, many years to come. Outfit number 9 is another one of my favorite layering dresses, my Hazel dress. This is actually a pattern hack of my Hazel pattern that I shared quite a few years ago now, where I added some cute scrunchy straps and an asymmetrical waistline. I really love this dress, but I would like to have a go at recreating it in a plain fabric, as I do feel the waistline would be a lot more effective with a plain fabric. Like I said, this dress is just the perfect layering dress, and I have paired it again with my rise and fall turtleneck, which just works so nicely with the buffalo gingham. I also love to pair this outfit with a cute little basket bag, just to lean into the picnic vibes of this outfit. I recently found this basket at an op shop, and I think it is just the cutest thing ever, and is the perfect size to fit my phone and my wallet and all my other essentials. And the last outfit I have to share is another Janelle classic, and that is my gingham pansy dress that I made using my pansy pattern, paired with a pair of tights and socks with my blunnies. I love the contrast of the frilly socks with the Blunston boots. Also, did you know that Blunston is a Tasmanian brand? It just makes me love them so much more. I call my pansy dress the perfect everyday dress for a reason, and I do truly wear some version of it most days. This gingham version is probably my go-to though, and I also love to pair this dress with my Rosery knit, as it's just such a comfy combo, but is also still just a really nicely put together outfit. I think out of all of the outfits I've shared in this video, this is my favorite and is the one I'm most proud of. I just love how me I feel in this outfit, and if you love the pansy dress and if you're also a knitter, I totally recommend that you make a Rosery jumper to wear with your pansy dress, as it is the best outfit ever. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're now inspired to make some of these items for your own wardrobe. I would love to know in the comments below which of these 10 outfits is your favorite. I actually haven't experienced winter in 2 years, because last winter I was in the Northern Hemisphere, and because of that managed to skip winter. So I have loved rediscovering some of my favorite wintry items that I've made throughout the years, and have loved wearing them on repeat again. If you enjoyed this video, then it would really mean a lot to me if you could give it a like, and if you do end up making any of the outfits shown in this video, then I would love to see what you've made. So be sure to tag me at Rosery Apparel when you share your photos on your socials. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video until the very end, and I'll see you in the next one.